Hey guys, so today I am going to finally see Black Panther. Was gonna do it yesterday, but then it snowed. Yeah. It went from 57 degrees 2 days ago, and then last night we got about 3 inches of snow. So I'm like, I don't know, this weather's just not for me. So I have read all these. Now the first one I thought was okay. It's okay. I enjoyed the second one. Really enjoyed this one out of all of them. And then this one I like in terms of the storyline, you know, tying up, giving you detail of betrayals and all that other stuff. So I did enjoy this one as well, but this is my favorite. So guys, the early show was sold out. So I'm gonna shop. Even though I shouldn't, but I need to get some key stuff from Sephora. I'm gonna do. Hey guys, so I am finally home and I love the movie. It was really good. It was worth the hype, and so definitely a must-see. So that's about it. I did pick up, I couldn't resist guys. I saw the 40% off, plus I had a coupon, so I picked it up and I started reading it because I had like 2 hours to kill because I had missed the time I wanted to see. So we'll see how this goes. So I've seen this in, like, you know, mixed reviews. Some people love it and some people kind of like so we'll see, but I'm definitely gonna, you know, read this the next 2 days and let you know what I think. And that's about it. I did pick up a few stuff on Sephora, stuff I needed, nothing new. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching another one of my short weekend vlog, and have a good day. Bye.